Browser use is one of those projects where the demo can look almost too easy. Give an agent a browser, ask it to complete a web task, and suddenly it can navigate pages, click buttons, fill forms, and extract data. The Doramagic reading is more cautious. The browser is not just another tool. It is where accounts, cookies, permissions, and private state already live. My first run rule is simple: do not start with your main Chrome profile. Use an isolated browser profile, a test account, and a task that can be reversed. If the first task needs a real purchase, a production admin panel, or a personal mailbox, the task is too big for day one. The core loop is observe, decide, act, and check. That means the trace matters. I want to see what the agent thought was on the page, which selector or element it used, what it clicked, and what changed afterward. A final success message without an action trace is not enough evidence. The installation path also has practical edges. Pin the browser use version, know which LLM provider package is installed, and confirm the browser runtime before blaming the prompt. A broken browser binary or missing provider dependency can look like agent confusion when it is really environment drift. The main pitfall is permission creep. Browser automation turns ordinary web interactions into side effects. Submitting a form, uploading a file, changing a setting, or sending a message should be treated as a deliberate approval point, not as background progress. For a safe first test, ask browser use to open a public page, extract a small structured result, and stop. Then add one reversible authenticated workflow and a test account. Only after that would I let it handle longer operations. My verdict: browser use is useful when you need AI-assisted web operations, but the product value comes from disciplined boundaries. Disposable profile, test account, visible trace, reversible action, and human review before anything touches real data.